Hello and welcome to this channel Technical Route. From today's title you have already understood what will be the content for today. Today's content is what is cloning and how can you make clone accounts on your Android device. So I will explain you how to do this and what is the theory behind this. So without further delay, let's continue with the video. So cloning, actually the theory behind cloning is that it is the process to make multiple accounts of any of your social sites. Meaning, if you want to make multiple accounts of Facebook, or if you want to make any multiple accounts of WhatsApp, so you can easily make clone accounts. Actually cloning means a duplicate account of just the original one. So cloning is the process of how you can make multiple accounts of any of your social sites. So you can do that on any of your Android devices. Now in the modern days, means in some of the mobiles, they're in the latest softwares, mainly in Android 9 or Android 10. The cloning can be get from the settings of the Android phone. You have to just go to the settings and there may be an option called clone your phone. So just go into that and you can easily make multiple accounts through that cloning option from your Android device. However, you need to have the cloning option on your Android device, and it is mainly present in Android 9 and Android 10 softwares of your Android. However, if it is not present, then don't worry, you can also download a cloning app. For example, you can download the Parallel Space app, which is very useful app, and it is the highest recommended rating app for cloning that is being available in the Play Store. Just go there and you can download that, and after doing, you can simply make your multiple accounts for your Facebook or WhatsApp. So this is the theory behind cloning, and this is how you can clone and you can make multiple accounts using your Android devices. So that's it for today. So in my next video, my content will be the how to do cloning or how to make multiple accounts on Realme devices, and how to go to cloning option and how to make multiple accounts on Realme devices. So I will explain you that in my next video. Till then, just like, share and comment this video, and till then stay tuned with this channel and you will get a lot more this type of videos in this channel. So stay happy and keep smiling. Thank you.